What we have here are stock numbers 10376A and 10381A. They're a pair of 1998 International 5000 mixers. Both trucks are spec'd identical. They have a Cummins M11 280 horse engine, Fuller 9-speed transmission, 20,000 pound steer axle, McNeilus 10.5 cubic yard mixer, 3 extra chutes. Tires and brakes on both of these trucks are in good condition. Henriksen Tough Track suspension. Bridgemaster rear trailing axle. The chassis on both of these trucks have been sandblasted and repainted. This truck right here looks like it has a new mixer barrel on it. Both trucks have just under 200,000 miles on them. Let's take a look at the interior of this one. There's your mixer controls. We have a total of 3 of these mixer chassis in stock, 2 yellow, 1 white. We will consider making a package deal on all 3, or just 2. Or 1 if you'd like. If you'd like to view these trucks in person, they're located at our Rogers, Minnesota facility. I'm Scott Kelly, and I can be reached at 612-269-3761 or 612-676-3807.